It's windy and it's snowing. Double whammy. I don't know how. If you haven't already guessed, yes, this is my first one on this one. So it's the easiest difficulty. And it looks like it ain't gonna be easy. Oh my goodness. Holy bejesus. Get out of the way, man. My Bugatti. Oh! I didn't mean to do that, sir. The wind blew me. That didn't sound right. Good Lord, I'm ripping. Oh, sorry, my bad. Oh, my bad. Oh my goodness. Dude, this is incredibly... I'm literally having to hold the oh my goodness. Hold the toggle stick left and right while driving straight just to stay straight. Oh my goodness. Oh. If you cannot tell by hearing it. Man, I bet my driver sure is cold. Dadgummit. Windshield busted, but when I go to the inside it's not. Must be a trademark. Whoa, what? I didn't know where to go. Oh, okay, we're off-roading now. Oh, back on the road. Not that it matters.
Whoa, that blizzard is getting intense. Can't be easy to see a whole lot.
I'm probably going to do, record another hypercar race in a little bit, which I didn't know this was labeled as a hypercar until recently, but... And if anybody watches this video, let me know if this is a hypercar in real life or not. Or is it nowadays? Because I think like nowadays, if something goes over 200 or 180 or 200, it's a hypercar. Oh, yeah, no kidding. But I just didn't think this was a hypercar. But I guess so. I almost turned left. Oh my goodness, blowing me all over the place again. Little backfire action. Spitfire. I'm doing 220 in the snow. Yeah, we're real realistic here, pal. Nah, just kidding. That's why it's a game. Peep the guts. Y'all wanna peep the guts? Peep the guts. The wind's blowing, they ain't got no guts. Two-seater.
Air is thinner here, so if it seems harder to concentrate.
Oh my goodness, yeah, no kidding. I'm trying, brother. Brother, I'm trying, brother. We're ripping and gripping this puppy, and we're dipping. I hope one of them things don't come out in front of me like one of them arrows again, because I'm definitely hitting it this time. I've been rather lucky this race. Consider another. Oh, what I was going to say is I'm going to do a video on a long hypercar race. It's like, I believe, around 18 or 20 minutes from one city to the other. I've done it on easy or whatever it's called on here. So I might do it on medium or hard or whatever the middle one is. Because the hardest one's ace or whatever. But so I'm going to record that one so it'll help me have a longer video than what I normally do. Because all my videos are normally short. I need to start making them longer anyway. But if y'all watch this, let me know what you think about Corvette being a hypercar.
We made it through the worst of the storm. Good news is the weather's about to clear up. There's snow everywhere now, and these mountain roads are twisty as hell.
To be continued, it said. Well, I would have liked to get my thumbnail there, but that's okay.